G'day everyone, here we have a Husqvarna Z560X. On a lifestyle property or a farm, there's areas around the actual farmhouse, the homestead, that you want to have a better quality finish over and above what you can get on a PTO driven tractor mower. That's where these come into their own. So this is a Z560X, which is a 60-inch mowing deck, which is part of the commercial stroke professional range of Husqvarna mowers. It's absolutely built like a tank, and it's got some pace to it when you're traveling between different areas. So the mower comes with a safety roll bar, which can be set to 3 different heights. So if you're doing around trees and stuff, you're not catching it every 2 seconds, damaging the trees or popping a wheelie. And here we can see the quick shoot system that I installed as well. So this image shows the chute in its partial open position, so it deflects the grass, stones, brush or leaves for safety and protecting any glazing or wall finishes or covering up your flower beds. And here's the wide open setting for a wide broadcast of your grass clipping. So there's a brief introduction to the mower. Let's get to the problem that I'm currently experiencing. Every time I engage the mower deck, the 7.5 amp fuse pops. Fuses are underneath the seat. There's a close-up view. The left-hand top brown fuse is the 7.5 amp. So it could be a number of things. It could be a short in the wire. It could be that the clutch is pulling too much power due to a fault there. There's no belt issues or obstructions, and if I briefly test with the 10 amp fuse, it runs up fine. The clutch is found at the bottom rear of the motor, as can be seen here. Once the issue's been fixed, I'll upload another video explaining what it was. If you've experienced this issue or have some insight into the cause, then please comment below. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. Cheers.